Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today along with my son Nathaniel. Say hey, Nathaniel.
I do.
Hey guys, today, we're going to be installing a new light kit on this fan here. So stay tuned and we'll show you how we get this done. Okay guys, here's the old light fixture. As you can see, we have, it was a 4 light bulb fixture. We have 2 of the 4 are just dangling. They don't even hold the bracket anymore. It's just really becoming a hazard. Don't you think so, Nathaniel?
Yeah.
So we need to replace this baby, don't we?
Yes, we do.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the power.
Yep.
And then Nathaniel's gonna start unscrewing unscrewing
the light bulb, and we're going to take all the light bulbs and we're going to take the gloves off.
Take the gloves off. We'll start with that. Stay tuned.
Alright, so first we need to do is take the light bulb off.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we gotta do, but...
You go ahead and just hand me whatever you need to hand me and I'll lay it on the table.
Alright, here you go.
Keep going.
And we got another light bulb here. One in the front. And we got the last one in the back.
Okay, sounds good. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the bulbs and then he'll take those gloves off.
Here you go.
Alrighty.
Okay guys, so the light bulb is out. I'm gonna do is take the gloves off.
Okay, cool.
And it's got 3 set screws.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it has here.
Yeah, we'll just go ahead and watch you take one off. He's just backing each one of them out until he can get the...
Yeah, and you gotta take sure not to drop these screws.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think you might be going the wrong way there.
Yeah, you gotta be very careful with these screws.
Yeah. Well, you want to keep these, don't you?
Yeah.
Just some extras. Yeah, Nathaniel has a collection of ceiling fan parts and stuff.
Okay, so that's all. Just set it on the table.
Okay, cool.
All right, so here we gotta take the last one.
Yep.
This is the last one here.
Yep.
We got. All right.
All right.
There it is.
Off too. Awesome. So here's what we have left, guys. It's just the
light fixture.
The fixture with no bulbs and no globes on it. Makes it a little lighter to work with now.
Yeah.
And we'll show you what we do next.
All right. First, we need to do is take this light fixture off.
Okay. Now let me show him on this side what you're doing. He's actually working a screw on the other side, but there's what, 2 or 3 of these, Nathaniel? Is there 3 of them all the way around?
Yeah, 3 sets of screws.
Okay, you see where my finger is?
Yeah.
From the fan here, he's removing these 3 Phillips headed screws, okay?
Let's get this pull chain out of the way.
And as soon as we remove them, we should be able to pull the fixture out of place. Once again, guys, I want to remind you, anytime you're working on any ceiling fans, it's a great idea to go ahead and flip the breaker to the power. That's powering the fan. And you can do that by going out to finding your power box, flipping the breakers until you have no power. And that's what we've done here today. And we're gonna continue on this project. Daniel has one of them out already, and he's backing this one out here. And you want to make sure you hang on to these screws because you will reuse these to reattach your new
light fixture.
Yeah, back up to your old ceiling fan.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, right. It's coming right on.
Good job. One more to go. Okay, with all 3 screws out, right, Nathaniel?
All right, let's see what it looks like here. So oh boy.
Pull it and let it hang for a minute.
Let it hang for a minute.
And then we'll examine which ones need to be disconnected in just a moment. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the electrical connection here. As you notice, we have a white wire and we have a black wire here that is attached to a blue wire coming from the fan, okay? So this is the neutral wire, and I'm just gonna disconnect. I'm gonna grab the wires and go counterclockwise with my wire nut there, and I'm gonna hand that to Nathaniel. And those wires come apart. And then over here, I'm going to grab the hot wire and disconnect this wire nut as well. Okay, there you go. And so from this point, we'll pull these two wires apart, and here's our old fixture that we're going to get rid of, but we're going to need to do a little work to it first.
So we need this little cap.
We're going to need this nut. Yeah, that's right. Okay, guys, real quick before we get started putting this new one on, I just want to show you what we actually purchased here. It's an Elite ceiling fan LED light kit that we purchased at Home Depot for, how much was it, Nathaniel?
$31.
$31, okay. Yeah, we decided we wanted to just put a fixture on this fan. We still like the fan, it operates really well. And here's our new light fixture here that we'll be installing. And here's our old one. Now the first thing that we need to do with this old one, we got to have this plate off of here. So we're going to take a pair of pliers and or a wrench. You already got it loose, okay? So go ahead and undo that.
Yeah, it's even loose. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay, pull your nut off.
Yeah.
Is there any washers?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can see this
All
right
right, pull your washer.
there.
All right.
And you gotta do is like twist this thing here. You got
unscrew it. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get a hold of that thing right quick. Okay, guys, this thing is threaded on. Okay. So we just turned it counterclockwise, and we're going to unthread this piece off of our old fixture, and then onto our new one. Okay, so here we go. We're going to hang on to this piece here. A little bit of dirt in there. We're going to probably wipe that out right quick. So here's our old fixture. We do not need this anymore at all, so we're going to lay it aside. Now down here with our brand new fixture, okay, we have two wires, black and white. And what we want to do, we want to check this out right quick. And it looks like we're ready to actually just thread this right on here, okay? So let me hang tight. Let me get something, wipe this dirt out right quick, and we'll thread it on there. Okay, we're going to install these wires in here, one at a time, with the connectors there. And we're going to start this fixture on here by hand. And it definitely is the right thread pattern and everything. So let's go ahead and tighten this down. You don't want to kill it, okay? You don't have to like torque it like Hercules or something. We just want to snug it down good, okay? And then we're going to take our washer and our nut and attach this. So here goes our lock washer, okay? See, it's a locking washer that will go in place. And then we have a nut. I have to go one wire at a time through here, okay? And we're going to go ahead and start this nut by hand. Okay, and now when we get to the part, we'll go and hold it by this piece here again. And all you really need is a pair of pliers, guys. It don't have to be super tight. We're just going to tighten it enough to crush the locking washer. And that locking washer will keep it from vibrating and coming loose, okay? So we'll just keep tightening this down until it gets snug. And that's pretty good right there, okay? No need to go crazy with it. So we're ready to reattach this. Okay, guys, I went out and found some wire strippers in the garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these connectors off of here. And so then, wait a minute, did it come with new connectors? No, it did not. Okay, just come with wire nuts. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to cut these off because we got regular, just a naked wire up on the top side. So what we're gonna do is go ahead, we got the connectors cut off, and then we're gonna strip back about, I like to strip about a 1/2 inch if I can. Let's see if this thing don't really wanna work right. I'm not exactly sure. Kind of a cheap pair. I got my better pair in my toolbox at work. See if I can get these adjusted right here. See if they'll actually work today for us. There we go. Okay, so we strip that back.
There we go. Yeah.
And let's go ahead and strip this one back as well. Okay.
Whoops.
Uh-oh.
There we go.
There we go. So we got that one stripped back too without cutting the wire. And I'd like to have this one back just a little bit further if I could. And we did. All right, so there we go. That's about how much wire I like sticking out when we do a twist and then put a wire nut on. So let's go up top and let's strip back a little bit up there too. Okay guys, I got looking up here. I'm going to just go with what we have here. I think we're going to be good on both of our pieces up here. So let's go ahead with the hot wire first. So we're hooking our black from our new fixture up to the blue wire that's coming from the, and we're going to twist clockwise motion, okay? Grabbing both wires, twisting these wires together in a clockwise motion. And we have our wire nut in hand, our brand new one here. And we're going to go ahead and twist these on in a clockwise motion as well. So we want to turn them, and then just a little test, just kind of tug on them, on each one of them, make sure they're not going to come out, okay? Because if they come out, you're going to lose connection, and you're going to be going right back up here and fixing it. And you don't want to have to do that. So right here we got our white wires holding them together. We're going to twist them together clockwise motion, and then we're taking our wire nut right here, twisting it on in a clockwise motion. As you can see, you twist it until you actually start seeing your wires start to turn there, and you know you're usually pretty good. Give it a little tug on each one, make sure it ain't gonna just fall off. And we're pretty good here. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck this back up in here, and I'm gonna get one bolt started, maybe by hand, and then we're gonna let Nathaniel crawl up here and finish installing everything. So we're just gonna get all these wires tucked in here, like so. I think we got it. So let me see if I can reach down here, and we might have to pause the camera for a minute. Go ahead and pause the camera. All right guys, we got this one of the screws to come out of here with the washer, okay? Definitely want to put the little washer back in place as well. I'm gonna go ahead and run this one down, not tight quite all the way. Hand me one more there, Nathaniel. Okay, so we have one more, and then we'll let Nathaniel crawl up here and install the last one. And then we should be good to go after that. So guys, I'm back on the ground now. Nathaniel's up there tightening up all three of those mounting screws. We'll watch him do this in here one more time. Good job, buddy.
Okay, friends, first I'm going to do is put the pull chain back on so I can tighten real tight. I done it one time. Let's see, I can do it right. I know I done it. In case, okay, there we go. Perfect.
So you got your pull chain back in place for your fan.
So you got.
And now what do you got to do?
All right, first I need to do is put these gloves on.
Okay. All right. So let's.
So be careful with these gloves. They are very fragile.
That's right.
Yeah.
Guys, here's all the screws here. We're going to put them in the top of the thing with ladder, and he can install these bad boys. So he's going to get all these started by hand, and then he can put the gloves up. So there's 3 of these screws on each one of the light bulb fixtures. All right.
All right. First we need to do, we're going to install these globes.
Okay. And this is going to look great, ain't it, Nathaniel?
Yeah.
All right. I'll hand you the next. You tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
Ready for another one?
Yeah, ready for another one. Okay, I think it's tightening real good. What do you think, Dan?
I think it's good.
All right.
I think it's great. You're doing a great job.
All right.
All right, guys. We'll check back with Nathaniel here in just a second.
All right. So the globe is installed, and we're gonna install these light bulbs.
All right.
And it might be pretty good to go. That's neighbors.
Yep. Here's another one, buddy.
All right.
I might help you out and do this one over here. Maybe I can do this one too.
All right.
All right, are we ready to go flip the power on?
Yeah.
Let's go do it. All right, Nathaniel, I'm gonna let you do the honors. Go ahead and flip her on.
All right, so we're gonna turn this fan on.
All right.
Have we got the light on?
Hey, that's awesome. Man, that looks great. Lights up the room really good too, guys.
Looking pretty good.
Okay. All right, pull the switch. Make sure the flicker's off. There we go. Heck yeah. Awesome. All right. Well, Nathaniel, I'm going to let you say goodbye to everybody today.
All
right. Since you've done most of the work,
Yeah.
Tell everybody what we tell everybody.
All right, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell friends about us. So the YouTube channel has been changed. It's MintHillBilly DIY.
That's right. And folks, we changed it to DIY because that's what we do. We try to make videos to help you guys do it yourself, okay? So stay tuned, subscribe to us, tell a friend about us. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.